So I'm not in the mood to do a lot of jokes today. So it will be very straightforward to the job things, whatever I'm going to share with you. So this is first opening that we have L2 L3A, which means L2 method experience चाहिए, L3 which means need a lot of experience. If you have a notice period of 15 days, then only join. And this is the mail ID pooja.singh@itimindtree.com. So from there, what you can look for, right? So if you are willing to join this job role, just do accordingly. The next opening is in Seclens. So they are looking for freshers, VAPT intern, and VAPT consultant, right? Mobile, web, API security. That's what they are looking for. कि उनको ये सब चीज़ आना चाहिए. Then you can join, right? This is mail ID salini.rathore@seclens.com, and Bangalore is the location that where you can join, right? So there are a couple of things. If you are freshers, you can join. If you have experience, then you can join as a VAPT consultant. So that's the thing. Now next is someone is looking in the Gurgaon. Okay, it's for fresher, like minimum 1 years of experience is required, and this is for someone who should have experience, right? So first opening is Red Teamer in Gurgaon, Noida. They are looking for someone those who have good knowledge in active directory techniques, DC sync attack, malware attack, all those things. So second thing, infrastructure analysis analyst Gurgaon Noida में location को चाहिए, and Qualysys Nessus is the software that they want कि मतलब जो भी apply कर, they need to have knowledge about all those things. But is in Mumbai, okay, Prism Clouds, CSPM, CW platform, they have to have they should have knowledge about all these things. Okay, then they can join as a cloud security engineer, right? This is mail ID parol.ralhan@esecforte.com. So guys, Esecforte is looking for a lot of peoples, okay, in multiple positions. So you can check out and accordingly you can apply, right? Now next is Sirion security team. Okay, so they are looking in Gurgaon. Okay, information security lead, that's what they're looking for. Okay, and the people those who are applying, they need to safeguard the cloud environment, whatever they have, VAPT, pen testing, cloud secure, that's what they need to do. Mobile app, mobile and API testing, they need to do in the lifetime time when they are going to work in this company. Cloud security environment and container is the thing they need to work on. Okay, and they need to secure actually. Okay, and they should have knowledge of Python, Bash, and VB script, so that uh, guys, so that accordingly they can write a script and automate the entire testing process, right? So that's what they're looking for. Bob should metasploit something जिसका knowledge होना चाहिए accordingly. So if you're willing to apply for this job role, then check application secure, write application security in the heading, application security engineer along with your name, right? Let's say application security engineer, that's you have written in the subject line along with your name. Let's say I'm Kumar. That's what you can do, and accordingly just drop your resume and then you can do the things, right? Now the next is in TWSol company. They are looking for someone those who should have minimum 2.1 years of experience, right? Security test engineer is the position. That's what they are looking for in Chennai, Mumbai, and Bangalore location. So if you are going to apply for this job role, then interview will be of two rounds. First round will be virtual. Second round will be F2F discussion. So that you have to go where they are going to invite you, right? Language will be English for sure. Okay, so they should have knowledge about all those things: was top 10, OS, Linux, was Chap, Bob Suit. Okay, you should have good analytical skills, problem solving skills, presentation skills. All those things is important. If you feel like you can apply for this job role, then drop your CV on harish.p@twsl.com, and this is a hybrid role. If you got selected, then आपको घर से भी काम करना पड़ेगा to work from there as well. Next job opening is in Hackit. Position is red team. Okay, on-site work. 2.5 minimum 2 years of experience is required. Okay, they should have knowledge about Cobalt Strike, Mythic, Silver, like these are the C2 framework. Then they need to have to proficient with. Second thing is simulation and all those things knowledge is required. So look into it. Okay, if you feel you can apply, then do this. Mail ID is career@hackit.com. Now next is at Varuntara. Actually, the company can call as INFOSEC system as well. So they're looking for VAPTs, web security, application security testers, and mobile application testers. So they're looking for those who can do attack and pen test the infrastructure, whatever they have. Minimum 1 years of experience is required. They should have expertise in network, web, mobile application testing, right? Location is Mumbai and Pune, and you should have 10 days of notice period. Then you can join if you got selected. In the heading, if you're going to apply, write VAPT in the subject line. Okay, and sonali.lokhande@infosystem.com in the uh, uh, is the mail ID where you have to drop your resume, right? So these opportunities for the people those who have VAPT experience along with if your resume will be matching with the requirement whatever they have, then only you are going to get a reward mail, right? Next is cybersecurity testing professionals. Is the position what they're looking for. First thing in infrastructure pen testing, one position there, VAPT के लिए दो, AppSec के लिए दो. Okay, so they are looking for someone who should have minimum 3 years experience. Any technical degree will be preferable, like BTech, BSc, ITCS, MSc, IT, and BFSI sector experience is essential, right? Certificate is EWPTX, EMAPT, API Sec Certified Expert, LPT, OSCP, OSWE, OSWE is the certificate what they're looking for. Location in Mumbai, and this is the mail ID carried at talakunchi.com. Company name is Talakunchi. So if you are from Tamil or anywhere, just let me know what does it means Talakunchi. That sounds to be little weird, might be very interesting. So let me know accordingly we can do. Now next opening is Associate Security Analyst. It's in Noida. Yeah, and uh, this is for freshers as well. Freshers as well. Those who have minimum 6 months of experience, right? And this is NCR based job role. Or if you are from anywhere else, then guys, you need to move to NCR. They are going to call you. Position is web application testing, mobile application testing, API testing, and you need to identify the vulnerability, whatever things they are going to provide you within web app, mobile API. If you are interested, drop a mail to career@kratikal.com. Company is Kratikal. Is a company name, right? And if you have any query, then also you can drop a mail on the same mail ID. Now the next is Deloitte. Deloitte is looking for cybersecurity strategy professionals for multiple levels. Location is Gurgaon. Okay, so skill set which is required is end-to-end implementation for information security management system based on ISO 27001, PCI DSS. That's what I said. Regulatory compliances, cybersecurity is meant basis NIST standard CIS 18 security audit. So that's why I say DPDP acting is important because this is also what they're going to look into the upcoming days, right? Candidates should have expertise in at least one of the following area: information security, cybersecurity assessment, compliances audit, compliances to information security, cybersecurity standards like ISO 27001, NIST, ITGC, which is IT general controls testing, risk assessment, third party risk management, etc. etc. These are things what they're looking for. Now the certificate, the certificate which is required. Destination is minimum 8 से 10 साल experience is required in Delhi. As a deputy manager, they want 6 to 8 years of experience. As an assistant manager, they want 4 to 6 years of experience. As a manager, they want 8 to 10 years of experience. Or as a consultant, they want 2 to 4 years of experience in Delhi. So these are the openings that they are looking in Delhi, right? Mail ID is sumins@deloitte.com. Okay. And like if you have previously worked in big four companies, then you might be getting the preferences. You just do accordingly, you might get selected.